Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link SketchUp to Autodesk 3ds Max. All right, so by default, we have the direct import, which is by importing an SKP file to your 3ds Max from SketchUp. Okay, and the other one is by exporting a SketchUp FBX or DWG for better compatibility. Now, we have an option, by the way, which is a linking or live linking by using a plugin. Now, today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it using the D95 design. Okay, so go ahead and open up your favorite browser and then just go and find D95 design, hit on enter, and here you have it. Okay, you can click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, click on 3ds Max right here, scroll down all the way down until you find SketchUp Linker. This is actually for free. So you can click on it and then just click on download. Save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. And once that's downloaded, you can go ahead and minimize your 3ds Max. Here you have the linker. Right click and extract it. Just like so. Here we have our MZP file. Just drag and drop it, okay, to your viewport. And just click on install. It says your script has been installed. So click on OK. Maximize your 3ds Max. Just go ahead and click on attach right here. And then find your SketchUp file. I have this SketchUp file right here. All right, attach, select the SketchUp file, click on open. There you go. It says here attach completed, execution time. This time click on OK. And then all you got to do basically is just relink it every time you make a change or changes from SketchUp. Okay, so if you're using an older version of 3ds Max, you can right click on it and then click on edit in SketchUp. Okay, so it's not supported in this platform, but it's all right. You can detach it if you want to. Okay, so let's say, for example, let's go ahead and open up this project from SketchUp. Let's say I'm going to add in some shapes, a polygon right here at the top. Just like that. And then after that, I'm going to tap on save. Go back to 3ds Max. Here we have the relink tool. Click on reload. All right. And then just click on OK. Here we have it. If it doesn't work for you, all you got to do is just close this one. Okay. Close it. And then just drag and drop it once more. Okay. We'll have this issue with newer 3ds Max. As you can see, I'm using 2027, which is current. Is the time of recording. Okay, so let's say again, I'm going to go ahead and add in maybe a shape here. Draw shapes circle. Just like that. Then I'm going to click on File, Save. Now, drag and drop the MZP file. Drag and drop it, install it again, click on OK. Now click on it and then just click on reload. Wait for it and here we have it. Okay, reload completed. That's how easy it is to link SketchUp to Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.